Shujit, welcome to NDTV from your own home. Different ways of doing interviews.
Thank you so much. Thank you, NDTV. Thank you so much.
Shujit, are you now used to doing these video calls? Are you like, have you done too many of these during the lockdown?
Not too many. I think you are the third one
Okay,
that I'm talking. Third one.
right,
So yeah, I've not done much online. So this
right.
I'm little handicapped with this also.
But you're doing quite good, I have to say, from what we see. Good to see you on camera. Shujit,
Thank you so much.
this is going to be a different release. Gulabo Sitabo is releasing. What's on your mind right now, firstly?
See, this is the first time I'm experimenting with this kind of release.
Right,
Uh, uh, so so there are advantages, disadvantages, which
yes,
I yet don't know. I will know only after the 12th of June,
right,
when the film is actually on the platform and when people start watching it.
right,
Uh, a couple of things which are I'm happy about, that I don't have to go all around the city or everywhere to promote this film.
right,
So so I'm very happy. I hate too much of promotions.
right.
Secondly, I'm happy that there won't be any interval point in the film, which
Hmm.
I struggle all the time. You
Right,
know, जहां भी पॉज कर लिया वहीं इंटरवल हो गया.
right.
अगर पॉज किया, नहीं करेंगे तो बेटर है.
जी,
और तीसरा है कि मुझे कोई बॉक्स ऑफिस को लेके कोई बॉदर नहीं करेगा.
टेंशन नहीं है. Absolutely, these are great advantages. Like hearing from a director, these are the interval पे एक high note पे interval होना चाहिए. All that headache is gone now.
Yes, I'm so happy. All my films I've struggled कि इंटरवल पॉइंट कहाँ होना चाहिए. तो
And
गुलाबो सिताबो में अभी कोई
इंटरवल
नहीं होगा
तब है
इस वक्त.
जब आप पॉज करो. एक्सीलेंट. ऑल्सो फिर नेक्स्ट डे आता है जब बोलते हैं चलो गेटी गैलेक्सी जाओ, बहुत सारा क्राउड है. ऑल दैट से भी आप बच गए.
नहीं, आई थिंक सी वो तो एक मैजिक है सिनेमा का.
या,
जैसे
राइट.
जैसे सिनेमा रिलीज होता था, तो हम लोग दौड़ दौड़ के डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सिनेमा हॉल में जाते थे और देखते थे लोगों का रिएक्शन.
रिएक्शन.
उसका एक वो मैजिकल जो फीलिंग है वो मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं
So
कर
is that
सकता.
something that you'll miss?
Of course, I mean that huge auditorium, people watching together,
Right.
this big screen experience, of course that experience will miss.
Right.
But we are not going to miss the film. I mean, this film
Of
is the
course.
same. I mean, even if
Right.
we watch there or in here in digital, it's going to be same.
Right. What is it like for the filmmaker who's made the film, that it will not release on the big screen? Does it make a difference to you personally?
No, it of course it does. It's not that you don't want, but the situation was like this, of
Like
course, and then
situation.
you adapt to the
Right.
situations.
Right.
And nowadays, even your digital medium, in terms of technology, in terms of sound, in terms of the visual quality, is also quite good at home.
Very
But
good.
of course, there is no comparison that the
Mhm.
experience that you have in a cinema theater.
Right.
Of course, that won't happen in a house like this.
Yeah.
Of course. But nowadays your TV screens are also quite good.
Quite good.
So I think you will not miss the experience as such. But yes, cinema is meant for a theater.
Right.
So we make cinema because it could be watched with a lot of people in a
Right.
closed environment.
Right.
That definitely.
Right. I've asked this to a lot of filmmakers in India and in Hollywood, that when people are watching your film you see on a small screen, on a mobile phone, on a train, on a bus, and with not very good audio or something, do you get irritated with kids doing something else, not paying attention? How would you want people to watch this if people are listening to you? कैसे देखें वो ये पूरी picture at one go?
सी ये कंप्लेन तो अभी ओनली डिजिटल मीडिया में नहीं, ये जब टेलीविजन में आता था और बीच में बार बार एड ब्रेक्स आते थे,
Right.
वो भी बहुत इरिटेटिंग हुआ करता था.
जी.
TV में. Sorry to say that, but it's a fact. So
Yeah.
when you make a film, you want और कोई बात कर रहा है कोई, और ऐसा हॉल में भी नहीं, हॉल में भी ऐसा करते हैं बहुत लोग. इंटरवल में बहुत देर बाद आते हैं बाहर. मैं तो लोगों को धक्का दे के अंदर कर देता हूँ, बोला जल्दी जाओ अंदर. I don't want them to miss a single frame. So,
right, of course.
So
Why
ये
should
भी होता है.
Yeah. So Shujit, you are someone who is not always in the media glare. You like to make your film, go back home, do your own thing, play football. suddenly you were in the eye of the storm because yours is the first release that's going digital. How was this phase? Because there was a huge tug of war. Multiplexes were upset कि हमें क्यों नहीं आ रही है. They were waiting for your film. What was this phase like?
It was not easy. I think we were all dealing with a lot of things at a time together.
Yeah.
One, of course, was the lockdown and the pandemic and the fear of the pandemic that
Right.
was we were looking for. So we missed our release date.
Yes.
17th April ko tha hamara release. So I think we missed that. And when you cross that date,
Right.
then then little uncertainty creeps in, and you don't know when will this film will go on air,
Right.
for release. So that's why I think this decision happened, and it took a lot of time, for the decision.
Right.
And yes, of course, you said ki there were some multiplex chains, and they were a little upset with the whole decision. But I thought, I also tell them, and I told them, ki, please talk to me, talk to us. It is a situation which is made us to adopt this. We have to also run the machinery.
Yeah.
हमको भी जो film की machinery है अपने technicians की. See, whatever I have done, it has all come back to the industry.
Yeah, you have to pay people.
You must understand.
Right.
Yes, of course. There are 150 technicians who are waiting on the fence, so that they can move into the next film. Right. Because we make one film at a time. So I understand what multiplex are saying, but at that time there's no film which is released, and till for the next 2-3 months, I guess it looks a little uncertain at the moment, and there is a fear.
Right.
So we adapted to it, and we adapted to this situation, and I'm happy.
Yeah.
And I'm happy that I have taken this decision finally, and there's no regret at all.
Okay.
Because at some point I had to experiment with the digital medium.
Right. That's great. It's an experience, and also this was a situation, like you said. Yeah.
Yes, it is. Of course, it was a situation, and the situation made us to experiment with this kind of a digital platform, OTT platform. And let me also tell you, when Amazon came up with this proposal of releasing it, so this release of 203 countries same time, I never had this big release.
Yeah, it's
okay. That's one.
Right.
Second, it's been subtitled in 20 languages.
Wow. Okay.
Right? Spanish, Russian, Portuguese, French, German, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi, so many, 20 languages as subtitled.
Right.
Number 3, we're also releasing in a proper sound theater, Atmos, so that आपको experience जो हो वो theater का ही हो.
Right.
So I think I will request a lot of people who want to see a good sound also should little upgrade their sound system.
Right.
And experience this.
Great, fantastic. This information of releasing in 20 languages is great actually for anyone watching this across the world. This is coming in your language. So, but you are a cinema lover yourself. So say your next film, Udham Singh, you will go back to the cinemas, right?
Yeah, of course. The situation is absolutely, it depends on the situation at this moment. See, we don't know at this moment.
Yeah, we don't know.
And Udham Singh is far now because, it's next year. And now I finished shooting my post-production. It just, at this moment, it stopped because of the lockdown. The regulations and guidelines have started coming in now. Now I think we'll start post-production. So that's quite late.
That's quite late.
Okay. So we'll decide when it's
coming to Gulabo Sitabo, we are just very close to the release. People who are watching, they've seen the trailer and everybody's pretty much loved the trailer. What do you want to tell them? What kind of chemistry do Mr. Bachchan and Ayushmann have? What should they expect from this?
First, of course, this trailer is not the film. So trailer is just a glimpse to what you see. Film is absolutely possibly something else. Number one. Number two is, I tell them this is a world of Gulabo Sitabo.
Okay.
This is not, I don't make films mainly with a solid plots or some, this is their life. The Gulabo Sitabo, and there are many other characters. It's few families, and few people. The characters, it's set in Lucknow. It's their everyday life, like my other films, like Piku or October, whatever. It's just the life goes on, and things keep happening. So ये गुलाबो सिताबो की दुनिया है. और पहली बार मैंने first time I've tried a satire.
Yeah.
You know, I've never tried satire. So this is the social satire, you can say.
Right.
आराम से फुर्सत से देखिए.
जी.
And I think there is a possibly you may have a grin,
Right.
all through in case
Right.
if you like the film.
Right.
The pairing Mr. Bachchan and Ayushmann was a little unique for me and
Yes.
fresh.
Hmm.
But nothing new because I have worked with them. I've worked both
Both.
Mr. Bachchan.
Right.
Mr. Bachchan is always like as
What keeps
hungry
him
as
going?
possible
You
to.
have worked with him. What keeps Mr. Bachchan going film after film?
No, I think he's always, as I said, he's hunger for testing himself all the time.
Right.
So in this film also he has challenged himself. So to not, and the biggest challenge was all through the film. If you've seen the trailer, to be just Mirza and not look like or be somewhere at all his Amitabh Bachchan persona to
Yes.
put it to be on the air.
Right.
He was just always was absolutely focused as Mirza.
Wow.
His mannerisms, so if you go to old part of Lucknow, you will find these characters very, very easily.
Right.
And when we were shooting, a lot of people didn't recognize him also in some days.
Yeah.
We were shooting absolutely
totally different. Yeah.
Yeah. We shot in places like Chowk and Hazratganj and Bada Imam Bara, Chota Imam Bara. So nobody could recognize him.
Wow.
Yeah. So I think these challenges that he takes, I think it just makes him so wonderful, and always you want to work with him. Ayushmann, I'm working with after 8 years. And I think Ayushmann, I've seen him we've started with Wiki Donor.
So was the change, if I was to ask you from 7 years ago till today, what was the change that you observed?
I think he's good that he's still grounded at this moment. And of course, he knew that he's coming to Shujit Dada's camp and the family. So it's like a coming back for him, like coming back to the family.
Right.
Because it's the same faces, same people all around.
Right.
He knows my style of work. So he knew what we are looking for. Our set is not a very extravagant set where tamasha kuch nahi hota hai, only kaam hi hota hai. So I think he knew all that. So I think he was good. So I think I appreciate also that he's been very successful and really was happy about him.
Right.
Unfortunately, I have not seen any of his films. I've seen Article 15.
Yeah.
But I think with us in the film, he was absolutely Banke Rastogi. And he looks like a character from that small town who is struggling within everyday life.
Right. Right. So lastly, Sujit, what will this release day be like? The tension will be the same. The excitement will be the same. You sleep well?
Yes, I think somewhere down the line, there is always an excitement. Of course, there is. I mean, I'll lie if there's no excitement.
Right.
When you make a film for 2 years, you put everything and suddenly it's coming and, you're releasing it. Of course, there is an excitement it's going to be. But of course, earlier I used to go and run to the theaters from theater to theater. That won't happen. I will sit here. And another happy thing is that, I'm quite happy about it. The film will be in the platform.
Yes.
So it's not that there's no fear that, in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, my film will get down and then it will go to a digital medium.
It's always
so
there.
I'm happy that
people can watch it.
So it is always there and they can watch it. I think that's for an artist, I think that's quite a fortunate situation, especially films.
Great. And like you said, 20 languages, so many countries, so a lot of excitement ahead. Good luck. You've put in so much hard work, which we just saw glimpses in the trailer. Really hope people enjoyed just the way you said it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.